Hello, ladies and gentlemen, my fellow leaders, both the executive board and the entire global leadership of Club 250 Cent. This particular record is just for you guys alone. It's just for you guys alone. I want to, on behalf of the executive board, thank every one of you leaders. You did exceedingly well, even beyond our expectation, considering that this thing just got started. Not many of you have made do I say a lot enough money, so many of you just manage and spend out of your little income. We appreciate everything you guys did yesterday. Trust me, you guys did a very marvelous show. You invited people. It's not easy to convince people, to bring people together, but you guys did that. You did it, in fact, beyond our expectation. Now, because this is just how do I call it, a direct video, it's not going to last long, at most 2 minutes. So now let me just tell you guys this. Club 250 Cent is divided into two: the leaders and the followers. We the leaders are just a maximum of 250 global leaders and 6 administrators. Now it is very clear that if there are no global leaders, if there are no 250 leaders who, from the very early time, as far back as June, July, that we nursed this idea that we had to come up with a project like Club 250 Cent, then there will be no followers. The teeming population that we are expecting to join us, they will not come. So for this reason, our um, our um, reward plan that was unveiled yesterday is primarily for you leaders. Okay, so we are going to, of course, now you have seen we have created money. That money is DefiConnect. Okay, we are now very stable, very strong to support all the leaders. We understand the insult, the embarrassment many of you are facing, or the kind of malicious approach people give you, try to make you look foolish, try to make you look stupid, telling you, oh, this don't work, this won't work. But they have forgotten that even what they are doing is not working for them. But out of jealousy or envy, they are trying to discourage you from what you are doing, from the mobilization you are giving this community, even without um, enough support from the leadership. I want to assure you guys that the leadership is financially strong, and the leadership is looking up to how we can strategically assist all our leaders. Our reward that we unveiled yesterday is going to recompense all leaders. All leaders are going to enjoy this community. It is after our leaders, the 250 leaders, have felt a sense of belonging, a sense of ownership, and by extension, the rest of the entire community can now begin to benefit anything material. So the community of Club 250 Cent only owe adequate and comprehensive compensation plan to the entire community. Okay, why the leadership are entitled themselves with reward plan. So anything that has to do with reward is what the community own leadership, but anything that has to do with compensation plan is what the community, is what the leadership owes the community. I hope I made the sense clear. So I want to appreciate every one of you. Let us keep the spirit going. We will now resume our activity on the Telegram. Okay, we will now resume our activity on the Telegram, where we will fight headlong. Let us remember that the assignment for every one of us at the leadership is to lead the rest people in the community. And what we are going to do is to ensure that maybe any moment from now we'll start our 1 minute video. Okay, in just like Pastor Glory did, you do 1 minute video, you introduce yourself, you ask people to join your link, just so that we can engage the Telegram. And when we do that, we will expose Club 250 Cent to the bigger community. This is going to make us earn more money in the leadership. You understand? This is going to make us earn more money so that we can truly cater for the responsibilities that we have. So I can't afford to thank you guys less for the awesome work you guys did yesterday at the watch party. Continue to remain blessed, continue to remain happy, continue to enjoy the fruit of your labor as the community continue to remain in your control and in your supervision. Let us continue to increase in knowledge so that we can teach the whole expanse of our community the right way of life, the right way to live, and the right way to prosecute and execute Club 250 Cent project. See you guys in the chat room. Thank you guys.